So today is May 16th. It's a Wednesday, and today is a big day. Today is a very, very big day, and I'm so excited. Oh my God!
We were staying in Paris.
All right, so obviously, as you can tell from the title of this video, I'm getting a puppy. I can't even believe it. I keep talking about it, and I'm talking to all these different people about it, and I bought all the stuff for him, and it's sitting on the counter right now, and like, it's happening. It's here. The day is finally here, and I still just cannot believe it. So let me just rewind about 16 years and tell y'all a story. Now, if you know me at all, you know this story by heart, but I just wanted to include it in the video because I think it just emphasizes why this is so unbelievably huge for me and such a big moment for me in my life. When I was a little kid, I always wanted a golden retriever. Now, that's not very groundbreaking. I think every little kid at some point in their lives wants a golden retriever. When I was 9, I almost had one. Now, I'm not going to go into too much detail about this because I just think that it would be wrong to kind of blow up the spot of the people who are involved in this particular part of the story. But basically, I almost got a golden retriever, and I named him Sam immediately. I don't know why Sam. I just named him Sam. And I was over the moon, but he was just as immediately taken from me, and I couldn't have him. So that was a little bit traumatizing, especially for a 9-year-old. And I told myself at the ripe old age of 9 that someday I would grow up, I would marry an amazing man, I would have a house of my own, and I would get a golden retriever and I would name him Sam, and no one and nothing could take him from me. And for the last 16 years, I've held on to that dream with everything that I've had. And to me, I think in addition to having a beautiful house of my own, which we have, as you saw in the last vlog, and in addition to marrying my best friend, this is making it for me. I'm so excited. Happy Samson Day!
Happy Samson Day!
This is Samson's Focus. This is his leash, collar, whatever. His little toy I'm gonna bring with us. I'm gonna bring this, although I'm not sure we're gonna use it yet. And his little bed.
Oh.
So exciting.
Gonna be very angry.
You're getting a puppy, brother.
Look how happy he is now, people. Look at how comfy he is.
You're getting a puppy, brother. Are you so excited? No. I know, but you will love him. Are you excited?
Mm-hmm.
How excited are you?
Real excited.
How excited?
Real.
Like scale of 1 to 10.
Like 30.
Samson, this is your new yard. What do you think of it? It's like it's alright. Doesn't have my brothers or sisters in it.
He's sleeping after all that barking on the way home. Oh.
Don't wake me up.
Little burp action. He's the Samson later.
He is passed out. I don't know what he's dreaming about. Did I wake you up? Oh, Jimmy. This is a toy he's had since he was a baby. Oh. So it's got a familiar smell. Oh my goodness. He's like, you brought a dog in here. I smell him. And he sampling his best out. Oh my god. That's for your teeth. Yeah. Oh my gosh, you're the cutest. Oh my gosh. I think he already knows I'm his mom. If I leave the room, he cries. Although last night was his first night and he slept all through the night. He did not bark or cry at all. So that was really good, but he woke up at 5:30 on the dot, just like the breeder told us he would, and started crying. He did not have an accident in his kennel, and we went outside and he went to the bathroom right away. She said that he's mostly potty trained already. He's only 8 weeks old. That's kind of amazing. And so far, no accidents. So we'll see. It's very early. I tried to get him to lay back down with me and Jason in the bed, and he wants to play. So we're playing. So I threw the ball over there. He didn't get it. I don't have shoes on. The grass is wet. Do you have to poop? Do you have to poop? Sammy, let's go tell Papa you pooped. Let's go tell him. Come on. Let's go tell him. Yeah, come on. Come on. Come on, Sam. Come on, Sam. Let's go tell him. Tell him what happened.
Take a big old poop.
He pooped.
Take a big old poop.
He pooped.
Hey, buddy.
He's so cute. I know.
Kiss me. Love you. Sam.
Too. Give me kisses. Say bye, Dad. Bye, Dad. Have a good day at work. I think so. I think he ran and hid. No, he's not in that room. Oh, 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 oh. Oh. Look at that little fluffy butt.
Alright, guys, have a good day.
I love you. It's your Friday. Who's that? Who's that? There he is. He saw himself in the camera. Alright, so far, Gus is not doing so good with the whole puppy thing. Are you ready for a nap now that you got everybody up at 5:30? Yeah? Okay. We'll have a nap. Good boy. I know you'd rather chew on my finger, but you're supposed to chew on my toy. Oh my god, I love him. He's finally got his name tag on. Sammy, look at you with your name tag on. Yes. Look at you with your name tag on. You're so handsome. Do it. Do it. Get up. Look, look. I keep trying to pick these up and he thinks I'm playing. Are you back? That's my toe. That's my Samson. Trying to unpack with a puppy is not really working. My first bath as a homeowner and as a dog mom. So cute. He wouldn't even leave my side long enough for me to take a bath. My house is a mess. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. If you're German and you have OCD, you know what's happening to me right now. It's not pretty. But anyways, I'm just gonna drink through it. Moving, am I right? So today was our first day together, mine and Sam's. And the verdict is this. We're doing pretty good at potty training. He did have a couple accidents in the house, but I think they were more my fault because I wasn't paying attention to the time and needing to take him out. So I'm gonna try to be better about that and take him out every single hour. That, I would say he's very attached to me. This is probably the longest we've been apart all day. It's been about 10 minutes. He follows me into every single room, which is adorable, and I'm melting. I love it, and I'm gonna, you know, let it be that way for the next few days, but I do want to kind of wean him off of that. I don't want him to like get super traumatized from being apart from me all day when I'm working. But I'm all rested and relaxed now. I had a super long bath, and Samson napped on the floor next to me while I took it, and it was adorable. So yeah, so that's the thing. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Actually, I'm gonna end it outside with Samson. Hi, buddy. All right, let's go out here and let's end the vlog with Samson. Oh my goodness. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. Hi. 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 I missed you too. It was like 10 whole minutes. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hi, baby. Okay, come here, Sam. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Let's end the vlog. Let's end the vlog. Ready? Okay. Alright. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos with Samson in it. You know that's really why you want to subscribe, not for me. I know. I love you too. And I'm gonna go hang out with my husband and my dog. Thanks for watching. Say bye. Say bye, Sammy.
We were staying in Paris.